All right, this is a quick tutorial for the VenoSeal. VenoSeal comes into play if you are able to achieve an erection but not able to sustain the erection. So you can get firm and may begin intercourse, but then you lose the erection over the course of that. So the VenoSeal does help with that. It's possible that you are struggling with venous leak, and the VenoSeal is named such because it helps with patients who are struggling with venous leak. So imagine that the arteries are taking oxygen-rich blood to the penis, and then the veins' job is to return that blood back to the heart, just to complete that cycle. If the veins are winning out and they're pulling that blood out of the penis so you're not able to sustain that erection, then the VenoSeal may be able to help with that. I do want to note that at the end of this video I've got some warnings and precautions, and just make sure you pay attention to those. But if you look at the VenoSeal, you'll notice that it's pretty simple. It is a loop and then a ring. So the loop, if you look at it carefully, you can see that it has two tabs, and then one of the tabs has the ball. Think of the ball as the brake. It's the stop. So if you're applying this to the penis, the first thing I would encourage you to do is to put it on before you achieve an erection, and put it as close to the base of the penis as you can get it. Once you do that, and it's lubricated with a water-based lubricant, once you have it in place, then once you achieve that erection, you want to cinch it up so that it holds that blood in and kind of compresses those veins. When you're looking at this, let's say I've got it on the penis, and I'll put it on top here. You can put it in your personal preference. But you can see the one tab that has the ball, that's this one. The one tab that doesn't have the ball is this one. When I want to cinch this up, I want to pull the tab that doesn't have the ball on it so the ball stays close to that white ring. You can see that, and you can see I can't really pull my fingers apart, and it's holding firm. That's because the brake, the ball, is doing its job. So I'm here. Never want to wear this for more than 30 minutes. When I want to release it, then I just pull the tab with the ball, and it just eases off, and then I can slide this off the penis. You'll notice that if I do this and I achieve the erection, once I have this on, if I achieve the erection and I pull the tab that has the brake or the ball on it, look how much further that ball is away from that white ring. That means that I can easily pull my fingers because the brake is gone. So again, pull the tab that doesn't have the ball, cinch it up, and then you've got a good firm compression on those veins, and you're able to hold that erection. So if you have questions, you can always give us a call at the number on the website, but just pay attention to these warnings and precautions.